listen up, here's a story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night and everything he sees is just blue, like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette, and everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around, 'cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, dabba-dee-dabba-die, 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 dabba-dee-dabba-die. I'm blue, dabba-dee-dabba-die, 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 dabba-dee-dabba-die. I have a blue house with a blue window. Blue is the color of all that I wear. Blue are the streets and the trees are too. I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like a Corvette that's standing outside. Blue are the words I say and think what I do. Blue are the feelings that live inside me. I'm blue, dabba-dee-dabba-die, 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 dabba-dee-dabba-die. I'm blue, dabba-dee.